Thank you.
Makofi mazuri kabisa wanafunzi wote, makofi mazuri.
Today we are here to celebrate the first cohort of Nyamira Government full scholarship program. They have been able to go through 4 years of education. They have done exams and they have passed exams. For that, we called them here to congratulate them, their teachers, parents, and all other stakeholders. We took you from homes. Some were contemplating even suicide because at the past it was already half term and they had not been able to join their schools. Some were from humble backgrounds and they could not afford senior schools. And we came here handy to give you an opportunity to redefine yourself, develop yourself, succeed, and assist others to succeed. You don't succeed and forget that there are some who don't have opportunity today or tomorrow. So, at this level, we can assure you that if you continue with your discipline, keep your integrity levels up, we have only given you the opportunity to continue to university. Make sure you choose courses of your interest. If in the university you don't find a course of your interest, go to TVETs and pursue your dream. These scholarship students, we are proud of you. Some of you are tall now. I think grow in the body and grow in the mind. See, it will be very shameful to be very tall and very unreasonable. Always be considerate of other people, rich or poor. Be a person of respect, and we have been having 751 students. You have exceeded to another level, but we want you to join an academy. We are forming an academy. I don't know how far they have gone in the registering, so that we monitor your performance and the growth from today going. And from wards which you come from, we want you to form an association going into wards so that if you are a 40 or a 50 in a ward, you try to mentor students from that ward. Parents have been asking, what about the senior school? Senior school, we are getting approvals, maybe by Friday tutajua. Tukipewa approval, tutachukua wale wanaingia form 1 pia from moderate to humble backgrounds, but students with good marks. I have to give commitment from the government of Nyamira under my leadership that we will continue supporting students with the need. Like now I've told you, we have been having 751 students kwa secondary, and already tumeongea na KCB, tuko na program, tumewa request, tumepartner na hao. Kwa wale wanaenda TVET, mwaka huu peke yake tuko na wanafunzi 660 kwa TVET, tuna support na wao wamalize kozi zao. Tukakubaliana tukiweka shilingi moja, KCB nawe naweka shilingi moja. Mtupatie heshima, mpewa na parents heshima, mwenzako heshima, na wengine heshima peke yake.
Let me take this time to thank the county government of Nyamira for having organized this kind of an event, that whereby the 4-year course, we have come to the end part of it, and we can be able to commemorate it. Today we have convened here today to celebrate a paradigm of awe, that this scholarship has catalyzed a transformative change within our county. On behalf of my colleagues, I humbly give my profound gratitude unto your visionary leadership for having seen it better that these scholars, they can be able to get the sponsorship. Another thing I would like to thank your governor is that you took it into consideration. These youth, these students coming from the modest backgrounds, you saw it better that we get the scholarships, at least so far so good. Through the 4-year course in high school, we have been learning smoothly without any interruptions. We don't take that one for granted. We thank you, we thank the county administration, we thank the county government of Nyamira. And to the parents, to the youths who are here today, this is the time for us to join the hands together. A time for us to unite the voices. The voice of our youth once more can be heard. And come 2027, Your Excellency, I'm assuring you, last time when I came here, you already have my vote. And even these students, these parents who are here, we're going to vote for you. Miaka 5 tena, lazima kiongozi tena aweze kuingia uongozini.
Excellency, we had a total student who took exams 233. Out of 233 who took exams, Your Excellency, I'm happy to report to our champions and our parents that 80%, what have I said? 80% have gained direct entry to the university. To add to that, and the other 20%, Your Excellency, we are going to work with them and we are going to support them to get to our technical and vocational training institutions. So therefore, am I right to say that we have 100% conversion to both university and technical institutions to our 233 of them? Up to now, Your Excellency, the results we have just received a straight A from one of our scholarship students, a clean straight A. Our student was in Maseno school, and we have just received a result that he scored A. Next, Your Excellency, we have 9 A minuses. 9 A minuses that we have. We are still expecting more results, but up to now we have 9 A minuses from across schools across Nyamira and outside Nyamira, but they are our students. We have 21 B minuses, B plus, sorry. We have 21 B plus. We have 33 B plain. We have 38 B minus and 23 C pluses. More results are still coming. We still have not received results for around 50 students. They are still coming. so we may even have more better results. As I stand here, Your Excellency, I want to congratulate our champions, and I'm not only going to congratulate the ones who are in the class doing the work, I'm also going to congratulate the parents, because without your support, without your prayers, without your guidance, your mentorship, hawa champions atungewapata.
Omugavana na bonsi abanafunzi abayiboli na abakwanira asomo nene mbuyamole gavana kera matemwa so giteminya kabakobisi nkobekereri uga gakigwato konyire gakiabataka gwato bekeire chianga gakia bana baito bana na indwe mechi yaito ya mesire ringana liane gocha sore nko iwoko rwani buchire ndibo irari bagali mborango kwane rambi ya mona soko nyora liba ye nanya ko ibago kwana ringana elimo igoro ya oligia muneli la rota koleta ya bana baito ya sone e minus igere bone nyigwete buya omoga